episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're continuing on our journey talking about some of the sneakers that are set to release on Yeezy Day. This is the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350v2 Sesames that originally released back in 2018. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. So again, I am so excited for this countdown on when Yeezy Day will be. And that is the 2nd and 3rd. So I am hopefully going to be a helpful resource for all of you on some of the sneakers that we'll be releasing that day. I want to give you all the information and all the best looks that I can so that you can decide whether or not you want to go for which sneaker I review. So today, again, we are going to be talking about the 350v2 Sesames. This was one of the hottest colorways that released back in 2018. I unfortunately was unable to cop these. I took a fat L, so I'm excited to have these in hand right now to be able to do this unboxing for you. So we're going to start off with the overview, jump into size and fit, talk about how I style these, and then we will conclude with where to find these as well as how much these will be retailing for. So let's jump right into it. This honestly is one of the most clean, versatile colorways that I have seen released on the Yeezy 350v2 series. This is just a color scheme I feel like I've seen on the streets, and it's just such a great monochromatic look that really just goes with everything all year round. So this is definitely a staple that you should have in your collection. If you do not have already, you're going to have to go for these on Yeezy Day. But this is just a nice mixture of a beige and gray tone that you see throughout the prime knitting. We do have that flexible prime knit going on the top. One of the things that you'll notice that isn't on or isn't as present on this specific sneaker is that massive stripe. It is just very monochromatic and it's very clean looking, I would say. As far as the laces, we do have a nice beige lace that just kind of blends quite nicely with this. It doesn't take too much away from the sneaker itself. For the sock liner, we do have more of that beige color scheme. The interior is in a gray colorway with the Adidas Yeezy printed in white. We do have a pull tab on the back here in that grayish hue, which also I think blends quite nicely. It doesn't take away too much from the sneaker itself. As we wrap around to the bottom of the sneaker, you'll notice that we have this translucent midsole, and then we have the gum color scheme for the back of the heel here, which also works its way to the bottom of the sneaker. We've got that full length boost in white showing through, and then that gum color, which I think just works quite nicely for the bottom of the outsole. All right, so let's take a look at all of those details and then we'll jump into size and fit on these. So as far as size and fit goes, again, I do have a more in-depth video on sizing on the 350v2s, so definitely go back, check that video out if you haven't already. But on this specific silhouette, I do always recommend at least going half a size up. I do feel like these run a bit small and your heel does get pushed up so that your toes are closer to that toe box region, which is a bit shallow as well. So if you or somebody like me want to have a little bit more wiggle room and space in that toe box region, at least go half a size up. I have actually been going a full size up, and that is honestly because I've been wearing quite thick socks and I just like to have more room to work with in my sneakers. I do have high arch narrow feet, so if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate a completely different size range that may work different for you. So do take that into consideration. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, just one of my favorite colorways to release in the 350v2 series. I think that this is just such a clean and versatile color. So I really wanted to go pretty monochromatic with some of my looks. For the first look, I wore actually a knitted piece, as we are going to be approaching on the fall, I feel like soon. It's like time has just been flying. So I decided to wear kind of a creamish beige colorway for the top with a matching skirt that matched that. And I feel like it really just gave this a very simple, clean feel, but also kind of a dressed up look. For the second look, I decided to wear a bustier top that was denim, and I layered that with a beige and white striped button down, which I think that beige really just coordinated quite well with this. And I also wore a white skirt for just a nice, simple, clean, fresh look for the summertime. Down, 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 down. And for the last and final look, I decided to wear all beige for a completely monochromatic look, and that was a beige cropped tee with matching beige pants. Dirty hands buried in the leaves, staring down the tops of trees. Childhood thoughts and memories. Now you're doing fine. Body language tells me otherwise. Lie after lie after lie. But you get down, 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 down. So definitely let me know down below what was your favorite look out of 3, or how would you style this colorway?
Gonna be the death for you. Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. Oh, 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 oh. In the blink of an eye, you're a goner. So for once in your life, try the deeper water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once. Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that wasn't even for you? Have you ever? When you hear the waves are crashing over Nazareth, man, don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're stuck in your head. Is that really how it's gonna be? Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived?
All right, so now let's let's talk about pricing and where you can find these. Obviously, these are set to release on Yeezy Day. The price point originally when these released back in 2018 was $220. These are set to release at $230, and they're going between $350 to $700 on the resale market. So if you're not wanting to pay that hefty price point, I would highly recommend going after this colorway. I think that this was one of the hottest colorways that released in 2018. I'm so glad that I now have my hands on these. So definitely, if you are in search of something that's going to go with pretty much everything and anything in your wardrobe, consider the Sesame colorway. I think it's one of the greatest color options that gives you this luxurious feel, but also, again, it's just so versatile. These are set to release on Yeezy Day on Yeezy Supply, as well as the Confirmed app. So do keep an eye out for these to release. I'm so excited for this one. And that's it for this unboxing and review, everyone. Again, I will be going live for Yeezy Day, so if you want any more up-to-date information, do stick around and tune in for that. If you were new and joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.
You wanna see them, and I don't wanna get